What's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about typecasting. That's basically converting strings to integers, integers to floats, floats to strings, and I don't know if I missed any, but yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's say we have a number here. Let's say x equals 100. And then we try and print out hello. And we also want to print out 100. We want to print out x. Well, this is going to throw an error because x is not a string. You can't really add a string to a number. Let's try it. So we get a type error, must be str, not int. So in order to what's known as typecast this int into a string, all we have to just do is say str and put parentheses around it. So now it's going to print it because it thinks it's 100 with quotes around it. Basically, it thinks it's a string. Let's run it. Hello 100. And anytime you have a float, like a decimal point number, you're going to need to typecast it to a string if you want to print it out like this. So basically, the main reasons we're going to be using this for our purposes is to change these numbers into strings. So all you have to do is type str and add parentheses around the variables. And in some cases, you want to change strings to ints and floats. But I mean, if you have letters in there, it's not going to work. You can only change a string to an integer if it's all numbers, and only a string to a float if it's all numbers. And you can also have decimal places included. So that's really the basics of the typecasting that we're going to be doing in the future. Yeah, and guys, please like and subscribe. I think that's all I'm going to do for tonight, but I'm going to have some new content out probably tomorrow, and I want to start getting into some intermediate concepts, and then pretty soon I want to get into advanced concepts like accessing APIs and doing advanced operations, and maybe even some libraries and involve Bitcoin in some way. So I'm real excited to get started. I hope you guys are too. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.